So hey everyone, this is Jordan Duke from Granada Hills Charter, and I'm sharing this online video tutorial for creating and implementing appointment slots using Google Calendar for distance learning during the COVID-19 Safer at Home Public Health Order. I work for the school's Communications and Outreach Department, and staying connected with our students is extremely important for our community climate and our students' success. So at Granada, our counselors are holding regular office hours to aid our students' academic learning and to also support their mental health and their well-being. So first, if your school is using Google G Suite for Education, I do hope that you'll consider using Google Calendar's appointment slots feature to keep a regular schedule for yourselves to avoid burnout. That's the first thing. I liken this to the safety announcements on airplanes, right? This is the oxygen mask that you're gonna put on before helping others. Second, this feature will help simulate a routine for students and their families. Right now, we're all trying to establish healthy study habits and lifestyles during distance learning. So let's go ahead and dive into Google Calendar. First, we're gonna log in through our school's Google account and navigate to Google Calendars using the waffle icon located in the top right of our screen. Now that we're in Google Calendars, go ahead and click anywhere in the calendar to create an event for the day and time that you wish to hold your office hours. And we should see a pop-up where you can edit fields. So if we accidentally clicked on a time that we don't want, that's okay. We're gonna be able to edit and make changes later, right? Now we'll add a title. For this example, I've used Mr. Duke's office hours. Now you'll notice that right under the title, the word event is already highlighted in blue. That's Google's default, as though you were going to create a general event like a phone call or a meeting or a lunch with a colleague or anything typically on campus that you would do. So what we want to do instead is we want to hover over to the right and click on appointment slots. So let's go ahead and do that, and then you'll see new edit fields populate. Go ahead and click on more options next to the save button in the bottom right. Now let's customize the dates, the duration, the reoccurrences for our office hours. I want to be able to touch base with as many students as possible in the first 2 hours of my morning, so we'll change our duration to 15 minutes here. Now later in the day, a student might need a little more time to discuss any stressors or anxiety or things going on at home, trying to figure out how to study appropriately. So I might create another 2-hour window in the afternoon with longer duration blocks like 30 or 45 minutes. When, for how long you want to hold office hours, that's completely up to you, your workflow, and knowing the needs of your students as a counselor. For the location, you're going to leave it either blank or simply input Google Hangouts. Once you've created your appointment slots, click next to the world icon in the calendar's appointments page. Now your new appointment slots calendar page will pop up in a new tab. Navigate over to the new tab and copy paste the URL and share it with your students. Now in Granada's case, our counselors create their appointment slots, then copy paste their URLs and send them to me to post on the counseling section of our website so that students can easily access it and find their counselor's office hours and be able to set up a meeting. It's worth noting that students will not see the rest of your calendar. They will see their own Google Calendar with your available appointment slots. From there, students can click on an available time suitable for them, and you'll see the calendar auto-populate the reservation. After that, it's pretty easy. You just manage and track your calendar and reach out to each student through Google Hangouts during their designated appointment slots. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more information, follow Granada Hills Charter on Facebook and Twitter for more distance learning updates and guides. Listen guys, please be safe, be healthy, and stay at home. Thank you.